Hello, future global achievers. Are you planning to study or work abroad in 2025? Well, the IELTS is your golden ticket. In this video, I'll explain everything an Indian student needs to know about the IELTS, step by step, from how to apply, to tips and tricks to ace it, and more. Ready? Let's get started.
To chase a world to explore, just study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
So, what is IELTS? It stands for the International English Language Testing System, which tests your skills for studying, working, or immigrating to English-speaking countries such as the UK, Canada, Australia, or the USA. You can choose between the academic IELTS for students heading to universities or the general training IELTS for work or PR purposes. Now, let's move on to how you can apply.
Applying for IELTS is a simple procedure. Step 1. Visit the official IELTS website. To register for IELTS from India, you'll need to go to the official IELTS registration website. Open your browser and type in www.ielts.org. This is the trusted platform for IELTS registration. Once you're on the website, click on the Book a Test option. You'll be prompted to select your country, in this case, India, and choose your preferred city where you want to take the test. IELTS is conducted in several cities across India, including major ones like Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, and Kolkata. Step 2. Choose your preferred test date and test center. After selecting your location, you'll be presented with available dates for the exam. Choose a date that works best for you and make sure to check availability early as test centers can fill up quickly. Step 3. Fill in your personal details. You'll be required to enter your full name as per your passport, your date of birth, contact details, and nationality. Double check your information to avoid any mistakes as they can affect your registration. Remember, you need a valid passport to apply for the IELTS exam. Make sure to have your passport ready as it will be required both during the registration and on the test day. Step 4. Pay the test fee, which is around 17,000 for both the academic and general training exams. Make sure you have a valid credit or debit card or use internet banking to complete the payment. Step 5. Receive your confirmation and test details. After you have paid, you'll receive an email confirming your registration. This email will contain all the information you need, including your test date, time, and test center address. Did you know that an IELTS slot can also be booked offline at an IELTS center or via courier? Check out the description box below for more details.
Now, let's break down the exam pattern. IELTS has 4 sections. Listening, 30 minutes, 40 questions from 4 audio recordings. Reading, 60 minutes, 40 questions based on passages. Writing, 60 minutes with 2 tasks. Task 1 involves graphs or letters and task 2 is an essay. Speaking, 11 to 14 minutes of a face-to-face interview. Good news! Anyone aged 16 or older can take IELTS. You don't need a fancy degree or English certification. All you need is determination and some solid prep. In India, IELTS is held multiple times a month, so you can pick a date that suits you. You'll find test centers in all the major cities like Bengaluru, Pune, Kolkata, and even smaller towns. Pro tip: book your slot early to avoid any last-minute rushes, especially during peak seasons such as January and September. IELTS uses a 9-band scale for each section and an overall score. Band 9 means you're a pro. Band 6.5 to 7 is what most universities require. Band 5, you might need to brush up. Focus on improving your weaker sections to boost your overall score. Now, for the fun part, how to ace the IELTS. Practice daily with official IELTS materials and mock tests. Improve your vocabulary. Watch English shows or read newspapers like The Hindu. Time management is the key. Don't spend too long on a single question. For speaking, practice in front of a mirror or with a friend. Confidence matters more than the accent. Use online tools like apps and YouTube channels to refine your skills, just like this one. Here's a quick recap. IELTS is your gateway to studying or working abroad. It has 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. You can take the test in major Indian cities throughout the year. Prepare consistently, stay calm, and you'll nail it.
That's everything you need to know about the IELTS in 2025. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more study abroad tips. Good luck, and here's to making your dreams come true.